Morning, Martin Morris, TotalBeautyBroker.com, TotalBeautyBroker.com. How are you guys doing today, Red? I was at that big mountain over there, Big Bear. I'm trying to recover, man. Snow all on the ground, snow everywhere. So subscribe. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. We're up to 549 subscribers. Grant Cardone says, do I want 1 million friends or do I want $1 million? My goal is to get 1 million friends on Facebook and show you guys, homeowners, contractors, how to develop a business. And this is a new book that I'm reading right now. It's The Perfect, written by Dave Linger. He's the founder of Remax. So I'm reading that book right now. So subscribe. Make sure you guys read some books, get some stuff into your mind. We're heading into the last day of the week. I want you guys to push yourself, especially my subscribers and my viewers. It's billions of dollars to be made, especially with these insurance cancellations. Work with me. I'm going to show you homeowners, these contractors, how you can make the money so you can get that billions.